G'day YouTube, we're back in the Purpose-Built Moto garage for yet another Purpose-Built Moto build bio. Sitting behind me is a DRZ400. This thing belongs to a mate of the shop, Timmy, so we helped him out with the build along the way. We didn't get too wild on this thing and a lot of the stuff that he's done himself, but let me take you through just what exactly it took to take this dirt bike into the street tracker that it is today. This project was done with a short list of mods to make sure the time we spent was well placed to make the most of this ex-dirt bike. The proof comes in one hell of a test ride that I'll show you at the end of the clip. I climb a fun side of a steep and winding mountain that I've been riding since I was 17 years old. First up, when the DRZ tracker rolled into the shop, was the subframe. With the stock aluminium one gone, we fabricated a smooth and light chromoly subframe that allowed enough seat section for a passenger to be thrown on the back for a ride. We threw in a set of custom removable pillion pegs as well. Already completed on this project by Tim was a bar swap and a radiator conversion using a suitably sized ATV radiator with some new hoses. He also sorted the new 19-inch Excel rims laced to standard hubs and wrapped in a Shinko flat tracker tyre. We moved on with finishing the tail, which included a custom seat pan, electronics tray and a nice stubby rear fender. The fender holds an Orbit LED brake light, minimal tail tidy and some black dome LED blinkers. A classic style tank has been fitted up to the DRZ400 frame, utilising some existing threads and rubber insulator mounts to limit vibration from the big single. Once the tank was mounted, a brat style seat was shaped up and trimmed out in Alcantara with some simple red and yellow detail stitching from Timeless Auto Trim. The dual sport Suzuki has been lowered considerably all round, with the suspension stiffened up for a more lively ride on the road. On any conversion like this, the suspension is paramount to make sure that you're having the most fun you can on your new styled bike. On the front end, we utilised the existing headlight brackets and with some custom fab work, fitted up a 5.75 inch purpose-built Moto LED headlight, matched with a set of LED blinkers mounted high and tight on the street tracker. We also lowered the stock dash gauge a little bit. Our final job was to mount the front fender. Using our new universal fender and DIY mounting kit, we were able to link up a stylish fender with stainless steel mounts to the forks by way of a pair of repurposed steering damper clamps. Make sure you check out this do-it-yourself kit in our online store for all you garage builders that need a bit of restyling on your front end. The DRZ400 street tracker was a relatively quick in and out job for us, with a lot of help from the owner Tim. The end result is a simple and relatively inexpensive street tracker that is bucket loads of fun on the road. This bike delivered the most fun on a test ride that I've ever had, and I can't wait to show you.